Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't change App Store country due to Apple Music subscription. If you are using any iPhone and you are having the issue that you cannot change your country or region in your App Store due to Apple Music subscription, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So very first thing you have to check that you are connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then you have to go back, and here you have to go for general, then go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any update like that, you have to try to update your software. And once you have updated, you have to go back and here go for this VPN and device management option, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with your VPN. And once you have that, now what you have to do, you have to cancel your subscription of Apple Music. So go for settings, then go tab on your name or your Apple ID here, and here you will get the option of subscription. Simply tap on that, and here you will get, if you have any subscriptions, you have to look for Apple Music subscription here, or you have to try to cancel the subscription. Once you have cancelled your subscription, you have to go to your App Store, tap on your account in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID here, and here you have to look for the option of country or region. So select that option, and from here you have to select the country or region in which you are living. So you just have to wait for it until it's loading. And here you just have to scroll down and look for the country or region in which you are living. Once you have that, simply select that. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Simply select that. I have already selected, so I'm going to select any other. So once you have selected, simply tap on the continue option. Then tap on the agree option in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method if you want, or if you don't want, you have to select the none option from here. And here, then you have to enter these details. Once you have done, you have to tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your country or region will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change your country or region on App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.